Today we're gonna do a bedroom makeover with 2 wood shutters and whatever I'll find in my drawers. Sanding it all down was a very long process. I didn't think it would take me that long, but I actually think it took me about 2 weeks. But maybe my machine isn't that powerful. Anyway, 2 weeks later, I ended up with this. And on the back side, I just used some leftover wood that I screwed on each wood shutter to fix them together. I had this garland of small lights that I use for summer parties in the garden, and then I thought instead of storing it in a closet, I might as well use it in my bedroom. And this very sparkling Christmas star comes from the local thrift shop, and when you flip it over you only see the wood, which has a very beautiful warm tone. I have an obsession for tree stumps and I have a lot of them in my garden, so I took 2 of them and I painted them black, and they're going to be our bedside table.